Are you interested in starting affiliate marketing, but don't know where to begin? Don't worry, you don't need any prior experience to get started. In this video, we're going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with no experience. The first step in starting affiliate marketing is finding a product or service that you're interested in promoting. You can find affiliate programs for a wide variety of products and services online. Some popular options include ClickBank, Commission Junction, and Share a Sale. Once you've found an affiliate program you want to join, you'll need to sign up and get your unique affiliate link. You'll use this link to promote the product or service and earn a commission. Next, you'll need a platform to promote your affiliate links. You can start with a simple website or blog, or even promote through social media or email marketing. The key is to find the right audience for the product or service you're promoting. To promote your affiliate links effectively, you'll need to create valuable content that will appeal to your audience. This can be in the form of product reviews, how-to guides, or even a simple post on social media. As you start promoting your affiliate links, be sure to track your earnings and see what's working and what's not. This will help you optimize your efforts and make more money in the long run. And that's it. With the right product, audience, and promotion methods, you can start earning money through affiliate marketing today, even with no experience. Click the like button, comment on this video, and subscribe to this channel. My best money-making affiliate program is onlinebusiness.app. Click on the link in the description and make $10 by attending the webinar next Saturday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.